As FARAHDHUKAI instruct, you need to boil 2 cups of water, add 2 spoons of matcha green tea powder or 2 green tea bags, and then add 2 spoons of agar powder. Stir mix until it makes bubbles and let it cool slightly before applying. Okay guys, this is the moment to remove the face mask to see if I can do it like the DIY queen FARAHDHUKAI. I hope you enjoyed this video. I fully recommend this fantastic matcha face mask recipe from FARAHDHUKAI. Subscribe and thumbs up if you like this video. See you on Wednesday. Pura Vida!